And we definitely felt that heat today. Today, easily the warmest day of the year. 98 degrees. That broke today's record of 97. Felt like 114 or hotter, though, at the peak of the heat. So we definitely were scorched by this record-setting afternoon. Thankfully, it is going away. Exact track radar showing a cold front that came through this evening. Now, a few storms may bubble up late overnight north of this front, but the front in general didn't really spark much severe weather for us, so we're thankful for that. And it's ushering out the extreme heat and humidity. We're still warm and humid for a few more days. Tomorrow through Friday, going to feel a little more like summer. It's still going to be a little sticky outdoors, but it's not going to be up to that almost tropical level that we felt as of this afternoon. So future track again does show a few storms coming north as we go past midnight. Not expected to be severe, but there could be a couple quick downpours, maybe some rumbles of thunder late overnight. All of this is gone by sunrise tomorrow. Then we've got a fairly quiet day ahead. Now tonight, still warm and muggy. So again, it's not like the high heat and humidity leave altogether, but it's going to be at least some relief. We get those values to drop a little bit thanks to the cold front coming through. Very warm start to tomorrow morning, 72 degrees for the low tonight. So we're looking definitely stuffy in the morning, but the heat doesn't rise as quickly. So instead of jumping all the way to nearly 100, we top out in the middle 80s tomorrow. May feel like about 90 degrees with the heat index. So we still have that in play, but again, it's not the triple digits and then some like we saw as of this afternoon. The day does stay fairly dry, just a slight chance for rain. Overall, looking partly cloudy to mostly cloudy as we experience a little bit of change. Now for Thursday and Friday, we do have a chance for some storms. Otherwise, temperatures basically hold steady in the middle 80s with some humidity. Then another cold front comes through after Friday morning. That'll drop us down to very comfortable levels for the weekend. It still feels a little like summer with a hint of fall at times over that holiday weekend. And it's partly because the humidity changes a ton. We're off the scale in one direction as we look towards today. For tomorrow through about Friday, we're still somewhat humid. Over the start of the weekend, we're down to slightly humid. And look what happens by Labor Day. We're almost off the scale in the opposite direction. Very dry air working in along some cool conditions. You can see the big change in temperature. We slowly lose some heat throughout the work week. The weekend stays somewhat summer-like on Saturday, then fall-like as we head into Labor Day itself with lots of dry and sunny weather. And your most accurate 10-day forecast will stay in the 70s early, then slowly heat back up into the low 80s for early September, which can still bring us some nice summer-like days. In the 4-degree guarantee, we had record-setting values, but that didn't break our streak, up over $200 to round out today.